Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I got this pink spotlight look. Firstly, I'm just taking Funky from the BPerfect Cosmetics XL Carnival palette and just placing it on my lid in a dome shape. And I do it on the other side and then just lightly blend out the edges using the same brush. I'm taking Pep Talk and just overlapping it with the edge of Funky and blending it out. I'm just using the same brush to buff it out. Then I'm going back in with the brush I used for Funky just to blend the two colours together a bit more. Then I'm going in with a clean brush just to buff out the edges a bit more. Running Funky under my lower lash line and then blending it out with Pep Talk again. And then again, I'm using a clean brush just to blend it out and soften the look. And then going back in with the brush I used for Pep Talk just to rebuild the colour where I've lost them a bit from blending, and then blend it again. Then go back in with Funky just to deepen the colour again. And just blend, blend, blend. Then I'm just cutting the centre of my crease with the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. Just so that the spotlight pops. from the Colourpop Strawberry Shake palette and placing that in the centre of my eye. Using the same brush I used for Funky just to blend out those edges. Then I'm applying Shake It Up from the same Colourpop palette into the very centre of my eye, and then I blend it into Whipped. And then I'm taking Fair Play, the highlighter, out of the BPerfect Cosmetics palette and placing it in the centre of my eye again, just to give it a bit more definition and really give that spotlight effect. And then I'm just going around again with a clean brush just to blend out the edges, as I like this look to be quite soft. Then I'm adding Fair Play, the highlighter, to my brow bone and inner corner. And then just putting on some brow gel. I like to do it after I've done my eyeshadow because I nearly always get highlighter in my brows, so. Then I'm using the NYX Epic Ink Liner. And then popping on some mascara. I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I put my lashes on and did my lips off camera, but this is the final look. I can't for the life of me remember what lashes I've used, but yeah. If you want to know how I do my base, just check out my Everyday Glam video and it's got it all in there. If you enjoyed, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.